Hey, stroke survivors. I'm coming to you with my emergency self care kit, hoping that um, you can use some of these tips. I definitely use some of these tips daily. So I when you feeling like low or depressed or anxiety or just want to get away, these are some tips I find myself using daily. Here it goes. 5 type. 5 tips. I tend to talk fast. Well, my pre-stroke days, I usually talk fast. But post-stroke, Trina, slow it down. Okay. So, number 1, ready-made food. I need to my I find myself getting depressed or anxiety kicks in. I need a can of soup. My favorite soup is tomato soup. I love tomato soup. Or any soup. It's quick, easy. Canned food is the bomb, y'all. Stock up on your pantry foods in case of emergencies. I find myself like, okay, you don't know when depression or anxiety kicks in. I find myself, back it up, I find myself going to the store and stocking up on foods like kind, well, granola, um, cherry tomatoes, just easy food. I like junk food too. Doritos. And just frozen food as well. Just stock up your pantry, y'all. Because it's never too late to stock up your pantry, because you never know when you're feeling low and depression hits or anxiety hits. Number 2, meditate. Meditation works. You don't know how to meditate. I find that meditation on God's word, like a verse, pick a verse of your the Lord's word and meditate it. Meditate on the God's word. Roll it around your mind over and over, or sit quietly in a dark room with some quiet music. Use a iPad or a cell phone. Works wonders. Lord, loosen my tongue. Works wonders for me. Number 3, a person you can trust. Not many people have a person you can trust, so that's just a tough one for many people. So I find myself, I go to counseling. Not everyone is, feels like I'm not good at talking my feelings out with a person. I have anxiety about going to a person. I got you. It's a place on the web called BetterHelp.com. I repeat, BetterHelp.com. I will put a link down below so you can get some help. Number 4, I jot down the times we overcome our bad times in our self-care kit, because that's very vital, okay? Not only our bad times, our bad moods, okay? And keep it in our self-care kit along with this, because you can look through this and is as a reminder to yourself and know, hey, I can go get through this, and I'm a survivor, and I'm an overcomer, and I will get through this. Because the Most High, He is with me. Number 5, list 3 activities and be specific. Okay? I'm going to get you started. I just walked. Okay? And I have to put my shoes on put my socks on and shoes on. In times of depression and times of anxiety, your mind is boggled. I know mine is. And you can't think, much less form a sentence. You gotta write things down and put it in your self-care kit. You feel me? And so that you can do this in times of trouble. Three things, like take the dog for a walk. Okay, be specific. Put your socks on your feet. Or be really specific. Get your rest. Put your socks on. Put your shoes on. Put your dog's leash on. If it's raining or outside, grab an umbrella. Just think ahead of time, because remember, you're not thinking clearly. And be kind to yourself, because this is Lord, loosen my tongue, an emergency self-care kit. Okay? I love you. For with the love of the Lord. Until next time.